Glarses.
Hello.
Is this about to be the funniest keyboard building ever? It's stressing me out, man. Help! Oh,
TommyInnit builds a keyboard.
I haven't seen this. I've never seen this in my life.
Honestly, I don't think you're ready for this.
Okay.
TommyInnit, this is layers.
Parcel. Is this how the unboxing channels do it? Line us in it, baby. Oh my, how much packaging did you put?
Here we go. You pull that off in 3, 2, 1.
The keyboard has my face on it. Big man.
This is the Geonworks F18X Big Man Edition.
Holy shit!
Now, we are going to be building this bad boy today. So this
I
is...
thought you'd already built it for me. I thought I was just collecting the keyboard.
This is going to be a long day, isn't it?
Okay, this is sick. This is, okay, alright, so what do I do?
This is my bag of stabilizers. Do you know what stabilizers are and their function in a keyboard?
That's what you put on the spacebar.
What you might find in these keyboards with the stabilized keys is that whilst they work, they sound very rattly.
That's what my one sounds like at home, innit?
We don't like that, right?
I didn't get to touch it. Yeah. Yeah.
That's enough. I don't want you to be tainted by the taste of this.
Okay.
Right. You are an influential gamer, right? You only use influential gear, and that
felt rather influential.
You see, that's the problem, Tommy. I'm trying to... What we have here is the anatomy of a keyboard stabilizer.
The keyboard's lungs.
Yeah! No. What you have is the stabilizer housing.
Yeah.
You have the insert, the wire, which facilitates movement. The only issue with this is that if we put this all together, it would still sound like this. Reason being, there's a lot of free space inside the stabilizer, and so all the parts of it is banging into each other. So what we do to reduce that is we lube the stabilizers. I hate you. Anyways, so what you want to do is grab your housing insert, dab some lube, apply it a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, and then caress the inside of the house. Like it was... I don't know what you would gently caress that wouldn't put you in jail, but you're going to gently caress. You're going to do the same thing to the insert.
Okay.
Just going to dab.
I'm going to do lightly dab upon the keyboard switch.
Dab upon the insert.
Dab
the
upon
lubrication.
the insert. I'm going to apply the lubrication to the housing elements.
You want to put the side with 2 holes into the side that's got the hole here. You have 2 lubed housings. Can you say 2 lubed
Two
housings?
lubed housings.
Lovely.
I'm from London. Bath. Let's get the
I'm from Nottingham.
tube.
A up, as they say.
Oh, fuck you, bitch.
So the last part is probably the most important part for defeating rattle.
Rattle, the mini boss of keyboards.
Oh, I just hate rattle in the keyboard.
Yeah.
Once you have lubed the end of your wires, you're going to insert them delicately into the housing.
Oh.
And this is the great part. You're going to clip it in. Ready? Ready? It's not clipping. Why is it not? Ready?
Oh, shit!
That was clean. That was clean.
Oh
Right.
my god. Okay, can I do the next clip?
Right, what's the first thing you have to do?
I was mainly just zooming in on your face. I wasn't listening.
I'd like to say that Tommy's attempt at lubing stabilizers went poorly, but that would be an understatement.
Do I lube the back?
Lube the left. You dab some
Which
lube.
one's the left? I just push that in. I don't want too much on it, do I?
You can put more on that.
You said don't make it look white though. Oh wait, it's falling out.
Oh dear.
You made it fall out.
That was not me.
I watched you do that.
That was you.
No, it wasn't.
Your eyes are deceiving you.
You're the one in fucking glasses, man. Oh my god, it's soggy there, and that's fucking soggy through that. Oh, down there.
Yeah. But make sure the way you're doing it
It's
is...
stressing me out, man. What am I fucking doing? Just tell me, stop laughing! Because I don't know now I put lube in the wrong place, and there's a lot of it.
I can't see because
Well, just take it off me!
Tommy was having a bit of a hard time, so I offered to help him do the rest. However, in the time I went to go and get another paintbrush, David came in and he had a few questions for Tommy.
I don't think you're the real TommyInnit. What? I think you're a fake.
No,
There's absolutely no way that idiot Glarses managed to land talent such as yours. If you are the real TommyInnit, and that's why I don't think you are.
I am.
Name?
TommyInnit. TommyInnit, yeah. Tom Simons in it.
You don't look like a Tommy. You look more like a Thomas, is it not?
No. No, I'm
You
TommyInnit.
look more like a Thomas, is it not?
I'm
Occupation?
influencer. Streamer. Big man.
What the hell is that?
I make videos online.
What kind of content do you create on the internet?
Minecraft and some vlogs.
And you can make money off that?
So much. I'm a billionaire. There's too much lube in this pot.
No, there's a good amount.
There's literally too much.
You can never have too much lube for me.
You can. The whole lecture to me a moment ago was about too much lube.
Okay, sorry. I can never have too much lube. You can have way too much lube.
I just need some more respect.
You know, I respect you so much. I'm gonna call you Ti. I only call people by their initials who I respect, so I'm calling you Ti from now on. I respect you, Ti. Okay. You're a man of great. Jonathan, help me out.
No, why don't you call me Strong? Strong T.I. Strong T.I. S.T.I.
Oh,
I want to be known as S.T.I. around these parts.
It's better than knowledge, strength, and integrity. Will you get Strong T.I. tattooed?
I will not
on
get
your
S.T.I.
arms and
tatted on my arms and chest.
You get S.T.I. tattooed.
jeez.
Father, if you're watching this, I promise he's not going to murder me after that.
Right, so, Tommy, we have successfully lubed our stabilizers and put them into the PCB.
Easy.
Now, it is time to put the switches in. I have two options for you. You can have the regular switches that I've set out for you, or you can choose the special option. Now, would you like to choose the regular option?
I would like the special
Or the-
option.
Here
Yeah. Where are we going?
You're staying there, but I'm revealing what I've been working on. This is the special option.
What the?
I have put
Okay.
together a few boards with different switches on, and I'm going to let you demo all of them. When you decide the one you like the most, I put them all here. So any one that you like from these, you get to choose, and we'll put that in your board. Yeah. Whoa! Box Jades, number 2 and 3.
Okay. I feel like I'm in Mission Impossible right now.
Whoa! Those are box pinks.
Oh, that's weird.
There you go. Those are Gatron Pink Reds. They are linear switches.
I'm never going to PC World again. Is there another keyboard?
Oh! Okay, I'll feed you them one at a time.
Oh my! It's like Christmas. Whoa! This keyboard's a whole what?
It's got penguin switches in there, which are tactile like these, but with no click.
Okay. What is that? It's got some shit in it.
They have cherry image browns.
Why have you laid it out like this?
So this is called an Alice layout. It's basically an ergonomic layout.
I hate it. This is so cool. Cyberboard. Is this gonna like shoot a gun at me while I open it?
Potentially.
Ooh.
Switches in here are linear as well, but they're heavier than these ones. Funnily enough, if you like
Put another
those...
keyboard.
Who is this?
That's Dream.
And who exactly is Dream?
He's a Minecraft YouTuber.
It says here that you hate Dream and
No.
that you guys have been fighting and that you currently put him in jail
Oh,
somehow.
canonically I hate him, yeah, in the Dream SMP, but he's a good guy. He's my mate.
So you both hate him and don't hate. Do you need some help? You hate Dream canonically. And
Should I start narrowing them down now?
Start narrowing them down.
Okay. Browns, we're gonna have to ditch.
Yes!
Simply because r/mechanical keyboards, will they see this video?
They will.
That's good, I'm gonna keep them on the path.
Good fun.
It's gonna be in the good pile.
Okay.
I think it's gonna have to be a no. These feel too heavy, you know? It feels like it's hurting my hand almost. I don't like the heaviness. Alright. These are the three we'll work with them now.
The trinity of boards.
That feels good, doesn't it? I honestly. That one's just slightly clickier, isn't it?
So it's both clickier, but it's also more tactile.
It feels so like.
It feels right, doesn't it?
Yeah,
it
feels
feels
like.
good. Yeah, and not as much vim, but you know.
I think I'm gonna have to go with this, honestly.
Ooh, okay, he's going with the box Jades. We now have the keyboard disassembled. What we are going to do is put our switches into our plate and our PCB.
So these are our switches, yeah?
These are our switches. You've chosen box
Pour
Jades.
some out.
Pour it out and make it look very nice.
I put that in there. You pop it in.
Sure, yeah. You can do the middle ones. There, that was a solid.
Yeah!
I'm getting the hang of it.
The problem I have with my keyboard is I sometimes accidentally pull off the keycap.
But I'm going to give you a switch remover tool, a keycap remover tool, so you can play about with them. I don't know why you're thinking to me. I'm going to add it to the invoice.
Listen, bro, I'll give you the invoice right now. Guys, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, alright? See? You just got so many subscribers.
It's just a bit hot in this room. Sorry, it's just a little bit hot. What? It's nice, isn't it? I've got a spare one actually for you if you'd like to. Who is this?
Wilbursoot. That's me, look. That's me and him.
That doesn't look like you. He's
That's
wearing
me.
a red and white t-shirt. Relationship with you?
My mate, brotherly like figure. We're like brothers, he looks up to me a lot.
He looks a good 3 inches taller than you. How on earth would he look up to you?
That was a poor photo of us, we're about the same height.
No, he looks to be about 6'5",
We're
and you
about-
look
We're
to be about
we're about the
5'11".
same height.
You look about 5'11" here.
5'11", no, TommyInnit 6'3".
He looks about 5'11" here, doesn't he?
I've had my coat now, so I'm ready.
Are you ready? We're going to do some soldering.
Can I put my finger on the end of this now?
You will get 3rd degree burns.
Put it down.
Soldering is very easy. We're touching the pin and the pad, heating it, adding our solder, touching it for a second, and then off. You want to hold the tip at the edge so that you don't burn yourself. Who is this?
It's Tubbo, that's Tubbo.
What is a Tubbo? You want to make sure that you hold this back a little bit, a bit further back, so that you can basically feed it in. You hold it there, and then
That's easy. Do I do it on that pin as well?
Yep. You don't want to hold the iron on the pad for too long. You basically want to touch it, boom.
Oh! Help!
After this very traumatic experience, I offered to solder the rest. I'm still adding it to your invoice though, so don't think... The Geonworks F18X is a gasket mount keyboard, but they don't come pre-cut, so...
Gaskets will slide in here, and on top of the board. We're going to cut this first big gasket. Kind of roughly measure it out with my finger. Snip, snip, snip.
Put that there, and then cut that about there.
A bit longer, but you want to put it right to the edge, because it shrinks a little bit.
Yeah, please. Please snip. Why aren't you snipping? Snip.
Snip, snip.
Is that it then? Are we done?
No, we've got to do a small one here.
Oh, you can do that, bro. This is whiskey.
Wait a second.
This is whiskey.
Father-in-law, I promise it is water. It is tap water. It came out of a faucet.
These answers are not looking great. I'm not convinced that you say you are who you are.
I'm me.
I do have one more thing though that I found that the internet says that you'll react accordingly to. Give me 1 second. I mean, you may not understand the gravity of what I'm doing, but gasket mount keyboards are all the rage. You see now, look, you can actually start to see where it's going to go.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, it's done. It's done. Okay, go.
Oh, no!
Oh, yes.
You put through these around.
All that was left were the keycaps.
Scoot over. If I believe that you've reacted accordingly, then I'll know that you are the real TommyInnit.
Okay.
Because up until this point, your answers have been trash. Ooh, listen to that.
This is actually like doing like a... K is there, isn't it? I is I there?
Yes.
Z, X. That's left.
No.
Really?
Nope.
Yeah, it is.
Nope.
Right, that's right.
This is left.
P? Where? Okay, wait, let me work out where P is. Is that P? Is that P? You put F5 wrong. F5's there.
Right, I have. I was about to...
Oh, you are a casual. No, F7. Oh, F7, got it.
It wasn't the most elegant build process, but it came out okay. Almost.
Where's my boy Escape?
I've got a special key for that. I'm giving this key, I've got a surprise! My gift to you from Geon. You know how I said I like putting my face on things?
Oh, fuck. I don't want my face on my keyboard,
How
man.
will people know it's your key? You're putting your mark on it.
Oh,
Everybody.
yeah, look at this, boys.
And while this may be the end of our story, we still have work to do. Monkey type, 50 words, highest word per minute gets it. Let's go.
Yeah.
Do you know?
What is that?
Oh, wait. Just...
Whoa! Ha
TommyInnit.
Yes.
TI.
Huh?
Strong TI.
Strong TI.
Let's do strong TI instead.
No, TommyInnit.
Alright, Tommy.
Oh, no. No, no.
If you were the real TommyInnit, I thought this is... You recorded a word per minute, 116 words per minute. Now, how high up on the leaderboard do you think?
There was no one else on the leaderboard.
No, I think you've got some competition. So where do you think you are?
I'm top.
Tommy, I can tell you. You are the top of the leaderboard.
Yes! This is all I came in, but you can keep the keyboard. Does that jump in the Cadillac?
Is that what it's called?
Okay.
So you do know what it is?
Listen to me, David.
Should I get you some lyrics?
Are you joking? No, you can't just do that to me. Yep, Dad, I'm on my way. Alright, I'll be there in a moment. Alright, bye. Fuck you. Number 1 on the leaderboards. Please subscribe. Watch the video about the PewDiePie keyboard on the screen.
That one's over here.
1 billion likes. 1 billion likes.